Hi everyone, let's build a Warmoth Tele. In this segment, we'll be installing the control plate. Let's take a quick look at the screws we'll be using. Want to double check against the awl we'll be using, make sure it's not grossly missized. We'll be okay here as long as we don't go crazy. Next, we're going to measure from the side of the bridge to the outer edge of the control plate to make sure it's even. We'll measure 1.5 inches both in the top and the middle of the control plate. This process is much easier if you don't have the knobs installed yet. As you can see, to find the center of the hole, I'm first going around in a circle so I can get an idea of the space and then can more easily find the center. Take another quick look at the underside of this control plate. We assembled that in another video. And there's the capacitor we'll be using. We'll be soldering that all up in a future video. I salvaged that cap from a vintage TV. You'll probably wind up using a new one. It's much easier. Alright, let's go ahead and enlarge our pilot holes. You'll notice we're not using our wood block in this case. We're just giving it a few light taps. Emphasis on light. Make sure that you have your awl lined up correctly so you're getting straight holes. And you do want to drill these ones. You're not going to be able to use your awl to get deep enough without making the hole too wide. So again, you'll make sure that you select a drill bit that removes the wood where the solid shank of the screw is, but not where the teeth are. Make sure you get your drill bit installed in the drill straight, so the end is drilling in the same plane as the tip. Make sure your bit is straight up and down. You want it parallel with the side of the control cavity. This is a case where it is possible to drill through the back of the guitar. You probably wouldn't, but let's not risk it. You want to tape that drill bit for your depth. We'll deploy our high-tech cleaning adhesive, our blue painter's tape. Move on to the next hole here. Again, check that your bit is straight up and down. You want the holes running parallel to the sides of the control route here. And give the screw a test fit. Looks like we got it. Let's go ahead and screw them in first. Get them to cut their threads. It is still possible to botch your careful work at this point and screw the screws in quite crooked. So do use care in putting the screws in straight as well. Alright, now we can install the control plate. Simply screw it on in there. Looks good, runs parallel to the bridge, just as we'd hoped. Let me tell you, if you get the control plate a little bit off, it's going to drive you crazy. Up next, we're going to do a little work on the neck, roll in the fretboard, and soften in the edges. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.